now.
Okay.
So just in case, just press your volume button.
Alright. Thank you very much. I love you. Hi everyone. Stay in character, Praiz. Okay. Hi everyone. Alright. Hi everyone. You're welcome to my channel, my YouTube channel. Today I'm just coming to talk to you guys like my friends. I want to believe this is a very safe space to share some of the things that have been bothering me. Just yesterday I was trying to edit a video for my channel and I realized I've been doing this YouTube thing for over a year. I started YouTubing sometime June 2022. I mean, it's July and sorry, when September, guys, that's like over 14 months or yeah, over 15 months. Whew. I'm just grateful to God and grateful to you guys, and I didn't want to come in to talk like this. I'm breaking out. I mean, I'm having some really terrible happening from skincare reaction, and I was like, I have to let this clear before I come here, but who cares? Like I said earlier, I've been doing YouTube for over 1 year and I realized that I'm becoming bored. Don't get me wrong, I love teaching a lot. If there's one thing I really enjoy doing is passing on the knowledge I know into someone else. I've been that kind of person for the longest time. I'm bored. I think I'm being boxed into this thing called a niche, right? You know, this niche we find ourselves in as content creators. You want to do something, you want people to know you for this thing. I want to be a vlogger, I want to be a skit maker, I want to be a beauty content creator per se. One thing about niches can be very limiting, and I've dealt with the limitations that come with finding a niche for the longest time, and I'm officially bored. It's limiting my creativity. I love to do other things, right? My life is not one way. I'm not this kind of routine kind of person. I like to be spontaneous. A lot of things make me happy, and I want people to experience those side of me other than the teacher part of me. Don't get me wrong, still finding a need for yourself really works well. If you're one person that don't mind sticking in one niche, I think it's fine. In reality, I am staying in one niche when it comes to my career. But for content creation, I think this is my superpower. I can do whatever I want to do without really caring. And I was even asking myself some tough questions yesterday. I'm like, what if my subscribers, you guys, my friends, don't really enjoy the educational YouTubing that I'm doing? What if they want something else? What if they are sticking with me because they've not seen something more from me? What if they desire to know other aspects of my life that I'm not showing? I really do not understand. I won't get all the real questions to my answers or all the real answers to my questions. Now, well, instead of trying to figure out what you guys would like, let me just try and do something that make me happy, that bring value as well. I love to bring value to whatever I'm doing, so I'm still going to bring the teaching content. I mean, I learn things every day. I would like to share with you guys. I don't have everything figured out right now, but we'll find out. Just stick with me. When you come and you see me talking about something different, don't be scared, especially if you've not watched this video. Just know that I'm not supposed to be saying it in this video or the next video. What I'm trying to say is that if you come on my channel and see me talking about something entirely different from fashion, bear with me. I want to be free. It's my channel at the end of the day. I should be able to have that control over what I would want to put out there, right? And not the channel controlling me. I'm tired. I want to try something different. And I'm hungry because I just discovered that my mic stopped working with my phone. I changed my phone, by the way, and my mic stopped cooperating with my phone, and that means morning we need to get a new mic. Whew. Guys, we're going to come back. I'm going to back here. I have a lot of things random things that bothers me. I would love to share with you guys. So I promise you that you won't get bored. Just deal with the new me. Let's see how this goes. This video is supposed to be like a very sad, solemn video where I will put one very sad, solemn soundtrack talking about how I want to try to bring something new into my channel and how sad it is for me to be able to leave something I've been used to for over 1 year and do something different. But this is not a sad video. This is shame where my mind is. That is this new place I'm stepping into would make me really happy. You can see it all over me. I can't even try to pretend I'm trying to be sad or anything. Not really. Whatever you need me to create for you, send it to me. send it to me. I would love to serve you guys the best way you want. If there's any topic you want me to touch on, if there's any trending topic out there you want me to talk about, send them to me. Oh, did you hear that sound? Did you hear that NEPA sound? So my camera angle might have changed a little bit because my alarm clock rang. I think it kind of changed my camera setting. Oh, well, I mean, I want to really care less about a lot of things on this channel because some things don't really matter. The angles, the depth of field, the ambience, how you look, how you sit to appear. I mean, in real life, we are always not that perfect. So why would you want to come online and always want to try to be perfect? Perfection is not sustainable. Being yourself is sustainable. So I would rather be myself in this channel and have you guys adapt to me instead of, oh my god. Guys, I mean, I think I'll just end this video here. Any other gist I have for you, we'll bring it to another video. I love you and thank you for sticking with me. I believe we are all transitioning into this new phase together. I hope you enjoy and I hope you are able to support me still. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section what you think. I love you guys so much. Bye.